Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Gold with your daily gold analysis done at the end of the New York session for Tuesday, 5th of November. I'm recording this video 3:45 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday the 5th. The daily chart remains the same. I'm still expecting overall a bit more downwards movement before minor wave B is complete, and then I'll expect upwards movement for minor C to complete the second zigzag in this double, which is labelled intermediate wave Y. I still expect that primary wave 4 is most likely unfolding as a double zigzag. It can't be a flat correction because this would be A, and B would be well less than 90% the length of A, which is a minimum requirement for a flat. I think it's unlikely to be a double combination because combinations move price sideways and the X waves are usually deeper than this. I also think it's unlikely to be a triangle because a double zigzag is actually much more common than a triangle. And also within triangles, I've found it's pretty common for the subwaves to be about 80 to 85% of the prior one, and this one is just 71% of this one. So what's most likely is a double zigzag. So what that means is when minor wave B is over, I'll expect minor wave C to take price comfortably above this point because the purpose of double zigzags is to deepen a correction when the first zigzag didn't move price deep enough. Within this zigzag of intermediate wave Y, minor wave B may not move beyond the start of A below 1251.76. Let's have a look at what's happening with minor B, where this low down here is this point down here. So from the end of minor wave A, we have a 5-wave impulse downwards. This is minute wave A within minor B, and here we have a 3, 3, and I expect now we need a 5 up to complete minute wave B. This looks like it's unfolding as a flat correction. The A wave subdivides to a 3, the B wave is a zigzag, which is subdividing as a 3, and it's just 101% the length of the A wave. So that expects a regular flat is unfolding, which usually has a C wave which is close to equality with the A wave. So I'll expect minuet wave C to be reasonably equal with minuet wave A, to not move substantially above this point, but most likely to move at least a little bit above this point here to avoid a truncation and a very rare running flat. So I'll expect some upwards movement to just above 1323, and it should subdivide as a 5-wave structure. When that's complete, I'll expect a resumption of the downwards trend for at least a couple of days for minute wave C. Because minute wave B is quite a time-consuming sideways movement, this whole structure for minor wave B is taking a few days longer than previously expected. It's not going to be over in just 2 or 3 days. At the daily chart level, this is still an alternate. I think it has a lower probability. It's possible that primary wave 4 could complete as a contracting triangle, but intermediate wave B within it is less than 80% the length of intermediate wave A, and I've found over the years that triangle subwaves are most commonly about 80 to 85% the length of the prior subwave, so this one's a bit shallow, giving it a slightly odd look. For a contracting triangle, C can't move beyond the end of A above 1438.83. For a contracting triangle, D can't move beyond the end of B below 1251.76. For a barrier triangle, D should end about the same point as B, which means it could end slightly below this point, so this invalidation point's a bit grey. This one up here, though, is black and white, because that rule is black and white for both contracting and barrier triangles. I'll be expecting a little bit of upwards movement to just above 1323, and then I'll be expecting the resumption of that recent downwards trend in a 5-wave structure downwards. That's all for me today with your gold analysis, and I hope that all our members are having a fabulous day.